Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Can you tell me what all concepts did we discuss in the last class? Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Breathing, exhale, and
Breathing.
Okay. Okay. Afrin. Afrin. Yes, Afrin.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
breathing, inhalation, exhalation, breathing rate.
Okay. Breathing. What do you mean by breathing? Right? Okay. Who can say what do you mean by breathing? Yes, Afrin. Yeah. You can.
Breathing means taking in air rich in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory organs.
Excellent answer. Very good. Next one, inhalation. Priyanna, can you answer my question? What is inhalation? Somebody is unmuted and talking. Dev Narayan, mute your audio. Yes, Priyanna? Yes, yes. Yes. Yes, Priyanna?
Okay.
What is inhalation? What is inhalation and exhalation?
Ma'am, can I?
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Annette. Priyanna, where is Priyanna? I can't see her now. Okay, anyhow, Annette, what is inhalation?
The taking in air rich in oxygen during breathing is called inhalation.
Good. What is exhalation? Sharanya.
Ma'am. Giving out carbon dioxide rich.
Giving out air.
Giving out air rich in carbon dioxide is known as exhalation.
Okay, okay. Vijin, why one mirror is in front of your camera? Is it there on camera? Is it there on the camera? Ah, it's a virtual background, right? See, no need of any virtual backgrounds. Okay. How you are sitting, that is okay for the class. Okay. So, inhalation. Now, breathing rate. Breathing rate. Sarang Das, can you tell me what do you mean by breathing rate? Sarang, breathing rate.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Try it. Breathing rate. Okay, Naveen. Yes, what do you mean by breathing rate? Naveen.
A number of person breathe. A number of time a person breathing in a minute is called breathing rate.
Number of times, so, fluently you can say it. Number of times a person breathe in 1 minute. Number of times a person breathe in 1 minute. Number of times a person breathe in 1 minute is called breathing rate. Sarah, can you repeat?
Number of time one person
Breathe.
in 1 minute.
Very good. Excellent answer for Naveen and Sarang. Okay. That is called his breathing rate. Okay. So now, what do you mean by a breath? What do you mean by a breath? Mariam? Mariam?
Ma'am,
What do you mean by a breath? I took one breath now.
inhalation plus exhalation
Okay, inhalation plus exhalation. One inhalation plus
plus
one exhalation
exhalation.
makes a breath. Okay. So during breathing, inhalation and exhalation take place alternately. Means continuously. That is all there. So you how many? What is the normal rate of an adult? Priyanna, Priyanna. Unmute Priyanna. All others, please wait. Priyanna, unmute. Yeah. What is the normal rate of an adult human? Normal breathing rate of an adult human being? What is the normal breathing rate of an adult human being? Very easy question. Huh?
Ma'am, can I say please?
Asara?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
I have.
Yeah.
Yes, answer.
15 to 18
Very good.
minutes.
Very good, Asara. Excellent. Okay. 15 to 18 times per minute. Priyanna, what is the count? What is the breathing rate of a normal breathing rate of an adult human being? You can't hear it, Rihanna.
15 to 18.
15 to 18.
18.
15 to 18 times per minute. Okay. So this much we learned in the last class. So today, before that, let me call some student: Nigel, Manish, Abin, Noel, Sarang, Sashidharan, Felix, Asad. Please switch on your video. Don't wait for the teacher to call you, because teacher want to see your face. Asad, sit properly on your seat. Don't lie down. You are not relaxing. You are not watching any film. Huh? Okay. So here, up to in the class, we learned about breathing, inhalation, exhalation, breathing rate, these all things. Okay. So my question is, during when we take air in, oxygen is going into our body. That you learned. That you know. Okay. What is the function of oxygen in our body? Otherwise, don't say the answer. Just if you know the answer, please raise your hand. Okay. What is the use of oxygen in our body? Why we should breathe? Why the oxygen should get into our body?
If we didn't breathe, we will die.
Okay, Manish, thank you for your answer. Okay, okay. So if you did not breathe, we may die. Okay, good. Why? What happens then? What is the function? So if we did not breathe means if we will die. So
Ma'am, if
what
we
is
did
the
not
function
breathe,
of Sharanya, please? What is the function of oxygen that makes us to live? Yes, Sharanya.
ma'am,
Yes, yes, yes. No need to take the textbook. Keep it there. Listen the class. Listen. Okay. So this Manish told, if we do not breathe, we will die. So when we breathe means oxygen is getting into it, carbon dioxide is coming out of it. So what is the function?
if the energy is given to our body cells,
Okay.
the cells will be damaged.
Okay, so energy, from where you will get this energy?
Food.
1 minute. Yeah, yes.
And food.
From the food, you will get energy. Okay, from the food, you will get
We
energy.
are breathing from plants.
Okay, okay, okay. So from the food, we will get energy. From the small age onwards, you are hearing it, right? Your mother, your parents will tell you, yeah, eat properly, otherwise you won't get energy to learn, you won't get energy to play. Huh? Okay, so if we want to do our activities, we need energy. What it gives energy to us? What it gives energy to us?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. I mean food.
Food. Okay.
Food.
We get energy from food. Okay. So what is the role of oxygen in it? Well, I will tell you. In the previous years, you learned digestion is the process. Digestion is the process through which the food what all we eat will break down
substances
and
are
release energy.
break down into
Yes, will give energy. So Digestion. You learned about digestion. Have you heard about digestion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
It is a
ma'am.
process by which a complex food is broken down into simpler form.
Okay. Diya, so my question. You told digestion means complex food substances turning into simpler food substances. Can you give example for a complex food substance? I don't know what is the complex.
Ma'am,
food
roti.
substance. Protein is a complex food substance. Yes.
and
Tell me.
glucose.
Glucose is a complex food substance. Yes. So shall I explain? I understood. Shall I explain? Huh? Okay. So in the smaller class, Akash, do you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. In the fourth and sorry, Diya.
Carbohydrates.
Okay. Carbohydrate is a complex substance? No, it is not the complex food substance. Okay, so let me explain it. Okay, so this food, whenever we want energy, we need to eat food. Okay, this food is first we are taking it through the mouth. Here you can see the picture, right? One picture is there. You can see it here. Through the mouth, the food substances get into the food pipe. And from the food pipe, it will goes into the stomach. So, which food you want? You will eat? Which food you will eat? Any food item?
Rice.
Rice, only rice. Rice and
And
chicken curry. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Rice. Suppose today for the lunch you ate rice and chicken curry. Okay. For the non-veggies, you can take any kurmas. Okay. So you took rice and one curry. You put it into the mouth. From the mouth, using the teeth, it is breaking into small pieces. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So along with it, saliva. Saliva is a digestive juice. Helps in digestion. That mixes with the food, makes it moist, easy for the teeth to chew it. After breaking into small pieces or chicken pieces, rices into small part, we will swallow it. So when we swallow, it will goes into the food pipe. You can see it here, food pipe, right? Can you see the food pipe here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Let me
Esophagus.
let me take the color of it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So here you can see the food pipe. Food pipe is there. So when the food passes through the food pipe also, due to the movement of the food pipe muscles, again breaking down of food will. Sorry.
Take attendance.
Attendance. I will take after this. Okay. So when the food goes through the food pipe, again it will break down into small pieces. At last it will get into the stomach. Can you see the stomach here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This stomach will act as a mixer grinder. See, when you put mango pieces into the mixie, what you will get?
Ma'am, it will become into smaller
1 minute,
pieces.
Nigel, take your microphone from your mouth. Okay, so when you put mango pieces into the mixie, what you will get out of it?
Ma'am, the big pieces will be like a fine solution.
Paste. You will get a paste of the mango. Am I right? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Yes, your mother also putting some coconuts into the mixer grinder, and if she, after working that one, she will make it a paste of it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, like mangoes turns into paste, in the same way, the food, the broken pieces of chicken and rice get into the stomach, become a paste. Because due to the action of stomach, it will become a paste. Got it? and so many stomach juices, gastric juices, digestive juices mixes with that food. So why we need to break down this food into paste? What is the reason?
To get the ma'am, to get energy. Yes.
To get
To
digest.
get energy. 1 minute. Akash.
And to get digest.
To get digested, right? Okay. So here I told which food item you ate? Rice and chicken.
Rice and chicken curry.
That is the complex food. Got it? That is the complex food. Diya, now you understood? Diya, now you understood? Okay, the chicken curry, the rice, the chapatis, the salads, the idlis, what all food items we are eating, that is the complex food. Why we eat food? The food contains nutrients. Do you remember the nutrients? Nutrients? Any of the nutrients? Do you remember the nutrients? No, nutrients. Yes, Saranya. Yes. Yes. See, why you are eating salads, vegetables and all? Why it is advised to eat that all
Ma'am,
things?
it has more nutrients.
Okay, what is nutrient? Can you give example for a nutrient?
Yeah. Vitamins.
Vitamin like, not only vitamin, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. These are the nutrients. These are the nutrients. So, the food which we eating are complex food. Complex food. Understood? The food which we ate or which we eat, that is complex food. Our food items. That food items contain nutrients. That means carbohydrates, that contain carbohydrates, then fats, then
Yes, ma'am.
minerals, then minerals, vitamins, then proteins.
Vitamin.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay. So the food which you are eating is complex food. That all contain these nutrients. This carbohydrate, fat, minerals, protein, vitamins. These are called nutrients. Each one now has its own duty. You forgot all things. In the 4th standard, 5th standard, you learned this, no? Are you remember this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes or no?
Proteins, minerals, fats.
Okay. So these all are required for our growth. These proteins, these vitamins, this carbohydrate, fats, minerals, these all are required for our body, for our growth. In this, say if we eat this rice and chicken curry, these all things are there. But the blood cannot absorb these nutrients from the complex food. Blood cannot absorb these nutrients from the complex food. From the chapatis, from the salads, from the rice, blood can't absorb it. Blood can absorb the nutrients only when it become a paste form. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. So our body needs these nutrients. Our body needs these all nutrients. Carbohydrates, these all things. These all nutrients are present in the food items which we eat. But our blood cannot absorb these nutrients from the complex food. In order to help the blood to absorb these nutrients, we are breaking down the food into a paste form. If it is a paste form, blood can easily absorb these nutrients. If these nutrients are there in the blood, our body will grow. Otherwise, no growth for our body. Is it up to this point? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Up to
Yes,
this
ma'am.
point, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, the food which we are eating is called which type of food?
Complex.
Complex.
Food.
Complex.
Okay. The complex food contains what?
Nutrients. Nutrients. All the
Complex
nutrients.
food contains
All the-
nutrients. Okay. See, these nutrients are responsible for the growth of our body. Got it? But blood, if these nutrients are absorbed into the blood, or the blood if gets these all nutrients, then only our body will grow. How the blood will get these nutrients?
Ma'am, through absorption.
Why? When the food become paste form, then only blood can absorb it. In order to get this blood to absorb these nutrients,
The stomach helps.
the digestive organs helps it. Okay, the digestive organs helps it. So let me share it. So our food came into stomach. The stomach act like mixer grinder. It made the food into paste form. Now that means digested. Breaking down of food is called digestion. Okay. Breaking down of food is called digestion. So digestion over. That paste form of food we are sending into small intestine. Here you can see small intestine. When the paste form of food passes through the small intestine, blood can easily absorb these all nutrients. Carbohydrate, fat, mineral, vitamin, protein, which is there in the paste form. Okay, in the small intestine,
Yes,
the digestion completes. In small intestine, digestion completes. After, when the blood absorbs the useful nutrients from the paste form of food in small intestine, the rest will be only the waste that will go through the large intestine, then through the anus. Okay, then through the anus. That is excretory organs. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes,
Is it clear now?
Yes,
So,
ma'am. Yes,
digestion. So, digestion means breaking down of food. Sharanya, please sit on a place. Don't roam here and there. It is distracting me also. So, digestion means breaking down of food into paste form, smaller parts. So, the complex food which we ate, now it becomes simpler substance. Are you agree with that? Are you agree with it? Yes. The complex food like rice, chicken curry, these all things, after the working of this digestive organs, it will turn into paste. That means it is simple form. It is simple form. Blood can easily absorb. So there the digestion finished. So what is digestion? What is digestion? Process of breaking
process
down
of breaking down of
complex
complex
particles. The help of
Noel,
respiratory
Noel, yes. What is digestion?
breaking down of
food into small particles.
Okay, good.
Participles is known as digestion.
Okay, using digestive organs. It finished. The
Excuse
digestive
me, ma'am.
organs work all, everything finished. Okay, now.
Ma'am,
So, yes, Manish. Let me.
attendance.
Ma'am, attendance.
After that attendance, you want to leave, dear?
Attendance.
1 minute. See, after this, do you have class? No.
Ma'am.
This board is also vacant.
No.
So can I extend it to 10 minutes? Is it any problem? I want to finish one portion. That is why. Okay.
No problem.
Okay. So listen. So we learned digestion.
No problem, ma'am.
The smaller class, we learned it that due to digestion, we get energy. But I told in the small intestine, when the food is in the small intestine, digestion completed. So where we get energy? We did not get energy. We made the complex into simple substance. Isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So is there any energy released? No.
No.
Okay. But the blood contains, our blood contains these all 5 nutrients, simple substances. Of this, minerals and vitamins. I am drawing the box. Minerals and vitamins and proteins are absorbed into the blood. Proteins helps in the maintenance of our body. These vitamins and minerals are helping us to increase the immunity of our body. Got it? So the 3 nutrients were absorbed into the blood. And this carbohydrate and fat, these are released. These help to give us energy. The carbohydrates and fats are the nutrients that help us to give energy. In the smaller classes, you learned the duties of 5 nutrients. Vitamins, minerals helps to protect our body, to fight against the diseases. Proteins help to grow our body. Due to the presence of protein, that is our nails are growing, our hair is keeping length. So that is all absorbed and used for these all things. Carbohydrates and fats. What is their function? Carbohydrates and fats. What is their function?
Energy.
To give energy.
Very good. To give quick energy. So what all food we are eating, the carbohydrate and fat content which is present in that, from that only we will get energy. Got it? So our blood contains digested food, not digested food, the blood absorbs the whole nutrients into it. But then also energy is not released. Blood contains carbohydrates, fats, that is energy giving nutrients. Then also energy is not released out of it. How and where this energy will release? How and where this energy will release? Can anybody say this? Can anybody say this? So after, yes, anybody, I'm giving chance.
All in the
Blood.
Okay, so it is the blood. Okay, I am writing here blood. In the blood, what is present?
Nutrients. I mean,
Especially carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates and fats. I am writing it here. This contains energy. This contains energy. But who will help it to release the energy from the carbohydrate? Who will help to produce energy, release energy from the carbohydrate? Yeah, there is the role of oxygen. Understood? In our body, in the blood, carbohydrates are present.
Blood vessels.
Carbohydrates are present. These carbohydrates are full of energy, but anybody should release that energy from that carbohydrate. Who will release that energy from carbohydrate?
Oxygen.
Oxygen that we breathe.
Oxygen.
The oxygen that we breathe. Okay, when we breathe oxygen, that oxygen get into our lungs. From the lungs, it is absorbed into
Blood.
blood, into our blood. So, what all things are there in our blood?
Carbohydrates. Fat.
Carbohydrate like energy giving nutrients and also oxygen.
Oxygen.
So
Yes,
in
ma'am.
in our blood, carbohydrate also is there, and the oxygen which we breathe, that also is there. See, you know, oxygen is the gas which helps to burn. Did you heard about it?
Yes,
Without
ma'am.
the presence of oxygen, no, nothing can burn.
Ma'am, light fire.
Yes, only fire can take place in the presence of oxygen. So what is the duty of oxygen? To burn something.
Ma'am.
So in the blood, what is present?
Ma'am, attendance.
In the blood, carbohydrates are present, oxygen is also present. This oxygen burns the carbohydrate to release energy. To release energy.
Energy.
Now you understood who is helping to release energy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oxygen.
ma'am.
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Okay. So that process is called respiration. That let me take 2 minutes. After completing this point, I will take attendance. Then I will disperse the class. Please wait. Otherwise, I will not get any continuation. That is why I am saying. So, in the blood, carbohydrate is there. Oxygen also reaches. This oxygen burns this carbohydrate. This carbohydrate to release what they are releasing?
Energy.
Oxygen. In the
Energy.
presence of oxygen. Energy
Oxygen.
and carbon dioxide and water also. Okay.
And
This,
H2O.
this process is called respiration. This process is called respiration. Can you read this? Can you see this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The process of breakdown of food with the release of energy is called respiration. The process of breakdown of food with the release of energy is called respiration.
Respiration.
See, this glucose means carbohydrate or fat, anything we can say. Glucose means food. Okay. Simple food, not the complex food, simple food.
Ma'am, attendance.
Carbohydrate. This food change in the presence of oxygen, it turns into carbon dioxide, water and energy. This process is called respiration. Okay, I think it is enough for today. Read the textbook. This respiration is given at the beginning. Manish, I know you are present. Okay, okay. See, don't say in between about this attendance. I know. I have to take it. I know that, and I can see that today so many are absent also. But when we explain some points, I want to conclude it. Otherwise, how I can start in the next class? So read the first portion of the textbook. That first portion explains what I taught today.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you understood this. I will ask in the next class. Did you understand
ma'am.
this today's portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
In the small, let's take attendance. So those who want to